Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I am going to introduce a personalized hair care brand, and that is Freewill. So I recently came across this brand and thought of trying the products. So what they actually do is they make personalized hair care range based on your hair concerns. So हर किसी की different hair care needs होती हैं, lifestyle होता है, फूड हैबिट्स, एज, लोकेशन, और उसकी वजह से हमारा जो हेयर केयर है उसको भी पर्सनलाइज्ड होना चाहिए. सो इससे पहले मैंने कभी इस कंसेप्ट के बारे में सुना नहीं था, बट आई रिसेंटली केम अक्रॉस देम. सो आई थॉट ऑफ ट्राइंग देम. सो फर्स्टली लेट मी जस्ट शो यू हाउ द एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट लुक्स. सो दिस इज द बॉक्स दैट दिस केम इन, and this actually has 3 products in it. So you'll get the shampoo, the conditioner and the serum. So this is what the conditioner looks like. It actually has my name printed on it as well. So as it's personalized, they'll mention your name on the bottle. Then this is the shampoo, and then we have the serum. They also have a personalized hair oil that I haven't tried as of yet. I was thinking to try that as well. Packaging is very basic, a simple bottle, and then you have this pump on the top. So initially I was not sure if this will actually work or not. So let me first start by telling you about my hair health. लास्ट ईयर से ही मेरे हेयर हेल्थ बहुत ही बेकार होने लग गई थी. आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग हीटिंग टूल्स लाइक स्ट्रेटनर, एंड आई यूज टू स्ट्रेटन माई हेयर एवरी अदर डे. सो उसकी वजह से मेरे हेयर काफ़ी फ्रिजी हो गए थे, डल, ड्राई यू कैन से, और अभी भी वैसे ही थे, मतलब थोड़े टाइम पहले तक. बट आई वॉजेंट एक्चुअली श्योर इफ दिस विल वर्क और नॉट, बिकॉज मैंने बहुत सारे शैम्पूज ट्राई कर लिए थे बट नथिंग वॉज वर्किंग. आई यूज टू टेक केयर ऑफ माई हेयर वेरी वेल, like I mean twice a week I used to apply hair oil, different kind of mask, but nothing worked. So then I thought of trying this. So I've used this like 5 to 6 times as of now, and I am really feeling a difference. क्योंकि मेरे हेयर थोड़े से मैनेजेबल हो गए हैं. आई कांट से 100% बहुत ही अच्छे हो गए हैं, बट 2 वीक्स में ही आई कैन सी थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस आया है, क्योंकि फ्रिजीनेस थोड़ी सी कम हुई है और थोड़े वॉल्यूम भी मुझे वालों में फील होती है अब. My hair now looks a bit manageable as well, and the products smell so nice. So let me just show you the texture of all these things. So firstly let me show you what the shampoo looks like. So this is the texture of the shampoo. You can choose from different colors. I'll show you later in the video how you can choose these products. So this is the shampoo, and I felt that it's good because इसकी जो कंसिस्टेंसी है थोड़ी थिन है, तो आप ऑब्वियसली डाइल्यूट करके ही यूज़ करना है, बट स्टिल आई लाइक दिस इट्स कंसिस्टेंसी. देन दिस इज़ द कंडीशनर. कंडीशनर बहुत थिक नहीं है जैसे नॉर्मली होते हैं, इसकी कंसिस्टेंसी भी मुझे एकदम परफेक्ट ही लगी. एंड देन वी हैव दिस सीरम. The serum is also very light, एंड बहुत अच्छी क्वांटिटी मिल जाती है आपको इसके साथ. बहुत ही अच्छी फ्रेग्रेंस भी है इन प्रोडक्ट्स की. साथ ही अगर आपके बाल ड्राई हैं, मतलब आफ्टर ड्राइंग योर हेयर अप्लाई द सीरम एज वेल. आई वोंट से दैट माई हेयर इज़ परफेक्टली फाइन नाउ, बट येस दे आर इम्प्रूविंग फॉर श्योर. So when you log on to their site, they'll have a very detailed quiz, and it has multiple questions that you need to answer. And this starts from your age, how much exposure your hair has to the sun, or the heating tools. Then what is your location, or next 2 months में आप कहीं travel कर रहे हो, if yes then to which country, which location, which exact part of that country, and if you have undergone any chemical treatments, and if you use any heating tools, hair type, if it's wavy, your length, and also the color of the shampoo that you want, and the fragrance. So there were 4 colors available, and I chose this peach one. लाइक सम कंडीशनर्स की जो कंसिस्टेंसी होती है थोड़ी सी थिक होती है, तो उसको अप्लाई करते टाइम समटाइम्स आई फील कि मेरा हेयर ब्रेकेज हो सकता है, क्योंकि हेयर इज़ ऑलरेडी वेट. सो बट इसके साथ मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा, बहुत ईजीली आई एम एबल टू अप्लाई देम टू माई हेयर. So that's a plus point, and my hair is a bit manageable as well. I can easily run my fingers through them. Else छोटे छोटे baby hair यहाँ पे आ जाते थे, but अभी it's not the case. They are improving, but they are much better than before. The serum is non-sticky, greasy, and it surely gives some volume to your hair. And let me just tell you what all this shampoo has. It has aloe vera extracts, macadamia oil, jojoba seed oil, walnut oil, olive oil, apricot oil, avocado, and strawberry extract. So these are really very good things. Like, I have dry hair, so these ingredients will work best for my hair. And yes, this is made in India. This has no sulfates, no parabens, and no toxins, so you can definitely go for it. So I'll share all the details with you, like how much it retails for, and I also have a 10% discount code, so if thinking to buy it, you can use that discount coupon, and it's mentioned here.
So firstly, you have to log on to their website, that is freewill.co. I'll mention the link in the description box, and you can see the brand is totally sulfate, paraben and toxin free. So after you go to the menu, you'll see an option for personalized hair care. Then you can simply answer the questions like your hair type, hair length, the thickness of your hair, volume, your scalp condition, if you have dandruff or not, and all other questions. Where are you traveling, if you have any treatments done on your hair. So after you're done answering all the questions, you'll get an option to select the color of the shampoo or the conditioner that you want, and after that you'll get an option to enter your name, and finally they'll provide you with an analysis of what your hair needs. Like in this case, my hair needs protein, keratin, biotin, omega-6 and omega-9 and wheat protein. So finally you can click on the option to buy your personalized hair care. So a single kit costs around $16.50, and then you can add this to your cart.
So you can easily buy these products for the subscriptions as well. So if you wanna subscribe to their 3-month pack or 2 months pack, you can check on their website as well. So I hope you like this video. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.